Weighted average cost of capital. It is a financial ratio that calculates a company's cost of financing and acquiring assets by comparing the debt and equity structure of the business. It measures the weight of debt and the true cost of borrowing money or raising funds through equity to finance new capital purchases and expansions based on the company's current level of debt and equity structure. Debt and equity are the two components that constitute a company's capital funding. It includes common shares, preferred shares, and debt. The cost of each type of capital is weighted by its percentage of total capital and they are added together. A firm's WACC is the overall required return for a firm. Because of this, company directors will often use WACC internally in order to make decisions like determining economic feasibility of mergers and other expansionary opportunities. Every business needs capital to operate successfully. Capital is the money a business, whether it's a small or a large corporation, needs and uses to run its day to day operations. Capital may be used to make investments, conduct marketing, research, or pay off debts. The two main sources of capital companies rely on are debt and equity. Both provide the necessary funding need to keep a business afloat, but there are major difference between the two. Debt means funds owned by the company towards another party is known as debt. It is a kind of obligation for a company. Debts are comparatively is of short terms. Interest is the source of return in debt, whereas equity means funds raised by the company by issuing shares. It's a kind of ownership. Equity are of long term and dividend is a source of return in equity. As per the given data, we have to calculate WACC. So we have given equity debt, market value of equity debt. Now moving towards the formula. Formula says first of all we need E, that is the market value of firm's equity. So let's take 8 lakh. Then divided by V. V is the total market value of firms, that is sum of equity and debt, into RE. RE is our cost of equity, 12%. Then plus D. D is our market value of firm's debt, and again the sum of equity and debt into the cost of debt, right? So we have to into cost of debt, and finally we have to subtract the corporate tax rate. So 1 minus tax rate, that is 50%. Now we have completed the formula. One more bracket is missing here. Let's do it. Okay. So now when we press enter, we get 8.15%. This is our WACC. In this way, using the formula, you can easily calculate weighted average cost of capital.